welcome back to my channel today. So you'll never believe what showed up, you guys. I didn't even know this box was coming, and I just got it today in my mailbox. So my Slay Glam box arrived for June 2024, which I'm completely shocked at. So if you've never seen the Slay Glam Beauty subscription box, this is a monthly box where you will receive 5 pieces of makeup each month, and one of those 5 items is guaranteed to be a palette. Now, I previously did a collab with Slay Glam back in January to create my own palette, so I'm still super grateful for that. That was just awesome. I can't say enough about that. It was just amazing, which I do have palettes for sale still on my website if you're interested, just so you know. But we have not unboxed the Slay Glam box in a while, so this subscription is always sent to me free for review. So in exchange for creating a video and sharing the products with you guys, she will send the box over for free for me, which is awesome. Thank you. But I've not received this subscription for a few months now. And now the June one showed up, and like I said, I didn't even know it was coming, and I'm like, holy bananas, this is Slay Glam. So it has been a hot minute since we've done this unboxing. Like I said, this is a monthly beauty subscription. If you guys are interested in it, I will be posting a link down below, and I do have a discount code. I'm pretty sure it still works. I should probably check that. But if the code is there, that means it still works and you can save some money off of your subscription. And then everybody receives the exact same bundle each month. So if you order the June bundle, this is everything that you're going to receive is what I'm going to show you guys. So I'm not really sure what happened the last few months with the subscription. I think I may have this off, but I vaguely remember seeing on her Instagram page that she had a couple of deaths in the family. I think there were more than one, you guys. I think it was really sad. And so I think there was a lot going on there, and I'm pretty sure she closed down for like April and May, or just May, and needed to regroup because of all of that had happened. So I think that's also partially why I haven't seen this box in a little while, is just because she has been dealing with a lot. So I'm excited to see this because honestly, I've always liked this subscription. There's always fun items. You get to try new things and you get a palette each month, which is great. So first item that we have in here is the Diamond Glow Highlighter. This is from the brand Italia Deluxe. So this highlighter is called Princess Cut. It's number 2. I love that they named it Princess Cut, so it's just like a diamond cut, you know? And you can kind of see this pink highlight shift here. So this one says that it's good until 2026. You have lots of time to use it. Very soft, pillowy highlighter. It's very complimentary, very soft and subtle. It's gonna blend right in with your skin. Honestly, it blends in a little too well. Hold on, maybe we're gonna need to build this one up. Usually, like, I can tell when I feel it. I'm like, oh yes, this is gonna really blend in. You can tell it's gonna be very soft and lightweight. But when it's like that, you may need to build it up to really get that shine. The nice thing about it is that it is buildable. So if you don't want a lot of color, you can do just a little bit, or you can continuously add more to it and you'll see more of that shine come through. I do think this is pretty. I like that it's a buildable one. It is a powder formula, so yeah, I do think this is great. Next up in my bundle, I have from Illuminati. This is a tinted lip oil that we have here, and the shade name is Araya. So like I said, it's Illuminati Cosmetics, and this lip oil is so pretty. You can kind of see that pink shift. Now, I'm guessing it's not going to be too intense of pigment either since it's an oil, but I'm guessing it's also going to be hydrating. So I'm going to go ahead and do a swatch right above here. Oh my gosh, this is identical to the highlighter. Like, it looks like the highlighter and the lip oil are the same exact product. The only difference is that obviously the lip oil is going to have a little bit more shine, but it's seriously the same color. So it's beautiful shine. You can really see it there, catch the light on the top. And I do feel like it's not sticky, but it's just giving you that nice shimmery look. And I like that it's both pink, like they're both a pink shimmer. The next item that we have is from Sachet brand, and I don't know what this is. It's cool looking. Look at it as it twists. And you can kind of tell that there's like an iridescent color shift in there, but this might be a liquid eyeshadow. Okay, I'm gonna pull this out. Let's do a swatch here and see. We're gonna go right above our lip oil. Oh my. This is definitely a liquid eyeshadow and it is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So it looks white when you put it down, but then you get it in the sunlight and you definitely see the pink highlight come through again. So it's got a gorgeous pink and purple shift. How did she get 3 products that look identical to each other? I mean, I'm not kidding you guys. This swatch all looks the same. So we've got a highlighter down here, a lip oil, and now a liquid eyeshadow. And they're all 3 the same shades. It's giving me kind of this like ethereal vibe. You know what I mean? Like it's very... I like it. I like the look that we are going for. The next item is a lip and cheek balm. Now this is a sealed box and it is from Charmacy is the name. So this one is Magic Color Lip and Cheek Balm. It is cruelty free. That is one thing that's really nice about Slay Glam is they do guarantee that all of their products are cruelty free. So they will not put them in the box unless they are. So this has an expiration date of 2027 on it. We got a long time to use this. And it's called Shining Stars for our shade name. What do you want to bet? It's going to be like this. Yes, this iridescent glow once again. So here's your brand name. And then look at this. So this is lip and cheek. I don't know that I would put this on my lips though. I'm not going to lie. It's a little too much glitter for me to put on my lips. But it is... Is there a film there or is it a gel? Why can't I... Oh my. It is. It's like a jelly. It's like a really stiff jelly. Ah! My finger is pink. Okay. I just keep going at it. Now my finger looks like Rudolph basically, but like I'm trying to figure out the packaging. I'm like, first off, is there a seal over this or is it just a really firm gel? It is a firm gel. I can confirm that. This is what I'm looking at, right? And so I keep feeling it and I'm kind of swirling it around and then I'm like, well, do you scoop it out? And so I keep like going and now, now I have a really pink finger. You guys, like I could be a clown with this. So it actually is a gel that feels like a gloss once you get it. And then when you put it down, it transforms into a pink tint. And I was trying to figure this out. When she said lip and cheek, well, the packaging said lip and cheek. I'm like, how does that work when I'm seeing stars, like glitter in here? Why would I want to put that on my cheeks? Well, now I get it. Oh my gosh, what a pleasant surprise. So you could use your finger for this, or I would recommend honestly using a brush. That way you could avoid this happening from your hand. But it does gradually get brighter as well. You can really see that cheek color come through. I'm wondering if this also changes with each person's skin tone as well. Like maybe that pH balance, I don't know. Maybe that's what it's doing, but what a pleasant surprise. Well, I may have compromised this finger for our swatches next, but it's gonna be a little red and a little pink for right now. But you know, that was fun to figure out. So the last item inside of our June box from Slay Glam is the featured palette this month. This is the Enchanted Romance palette. So this one is cruelty free and it is all made by Rasha B Cosmetics. And then inside we are going to have 6 eyeshadows that is giving us the Enchanted Romance vibes. Now I definitely can see the collection forming here. So you can honestly see all of these colors coming together. That shimmer, the pink, it's iridescent. It feels very fun, very flirty. So I'm gonna do some swatches, of course, because I do wanna check these all out. So the first one is Platinum Romance. I mean, you can't even tell my finger was pink before. Like, was it pink? No, you can't see because it literally coats it so flipping well. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna do a swatch. Let's do a swatch of this. No, I wanna keep it all together. We're gonna do right here. And, oh my gosh. Can you see the color at all? I mean, it's just so dark, right? It's so invisible, you can't see it. Like, holy bananas, what is this? What? How? This is just amazing, you guys. I mean, just incredible. I have never seen anything build like that before. Now, you could definitely soften this out. I'm trying to blend it just to show you a little bit on this one end, that you could blend that out if you don't want straight pigment, or you can do this on your eyelid and actually just draw that right across the top there. So you can definitely go in and kind of blend it and soften it, or do this. You've got a couple of options. The next one is Golden Petals, and it's going to be right on top here. And again, gosh, I don't know how she does this. Like, Rasha, I don't know how you get the pigments that you get. I mean, look at that. Platinum, gold. Next is Purple Passion. And this one definitely has a gorgeous purple and silver shift. Look at that, you guys. So pretty. Then we're going to check out Rose Amore, excuse me. Rose Amore. And this one is going to be a gorgeous rose gold combo. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that one is... that platinum I cannot get over, you guys. It is just so pigmented. Now, I will tell you, because these are pressed glitters, there can be fallout. So I would recommend whenever you're putting these on your eyes to use a primer to really lock them in place, just because there could be fallout. I'm noticing a little bit of fallout on my arm, but you gotta remember, I have hair, and so a lot of times when you're pressing down and swatching, it flattens out your hairs and then your hairs kind of stand back up on their own, and it pushes that pigment off. So I am noticing a little bit coming off just because my skin is doing what it's supposed to do, right? So we're gonna do 2 more swatches here. The next one is Beloved Bronze. Oh, I have high hopes for this. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. So bronze is typically going to be that gold and silver combination. Look at this, you guys. Oh, look at that. So pretty. And then last but not least is Diamond Love. This is a pink shift again. So it looks like a silver, and then you can actually see that hot pink in there. So it is a duochrome. Oh man. One swatch on these. Look at that. So this whole combination of colors from this box, it's a look, and I am living for it. So that is everything for the Slay Glam subscription box for June. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think, but I think Rasha's back. This looks really good. I'm so glad that I was able to try this out again, and I love what I have here today. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!